In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to indent rows in Smartsheet to create a clear hierarchy and better organize your projects and task lists. First, open the Smartsheet where you want to create the hierarchy. Next, locate the row or rows you want to indent beneath a parent row. Select the row by clicking its row number on the left side of the sheet. If you want to indent multiple rows, select all the rows you want to include. Once the rows are selected, go to the toolbar at the top of the screen and click the Indent button, which is represented by a right pointing arrow. The selected rows will move slightly to the right and become child rows under the row above them. You will also notice that Smartsheet creates a parent-child relationship, allowing you to expand or collapse the grouped rows when needed. If you want to remove the hierarchy later, select the indented row and click the outdent button, represented by a left-pointing arrow. Repeat this process for any additional rows you want to organize into groups. Review your sheet to ensure the hierarchy is structured the way you want. That's it! You've successfully learned how to indent rows in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.